普通の動物たちは
Oh, you need some help, buddy?
Nah, I'm good, man.
You
I'm
sure?
just chilling. Yeah.
Let me help.
常に超警戒モードで
Thank you.
助けてもらっても
I guess.
すぐ逃げちゃいます。ところがカラスは助けてもらうと
Thank you. My name is Cornelius Maximus III, son.
まず親しげに挨拶して
Sorry, but the surgery is going to be too expensive.
Nothing is too expensive for this man. I have more than enough.
全力で恩返ししてくれます。そしてその人がいなくなると
Billy didn't make it through surgery. Cornelius, he was just a human. He was just a human.
一生忘れないそうですね。